We live on planet Earth, which is a part of our solar system, which again is a part of the Milky Way galaxy, that is among the billions and billions of galaxies in our universe. But is that it? These trillions of galaxies, planets, and stars are part of our universe. But is there anything beyond this boundary? Are there more universes? If yes, then is there anything beyond these universes? Is there any limit beyond which nothing exists? Well, welcome to this brand new video in which we will talk about top 5 theories on what's really outside our universe. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Also comment down what you think lies beyond our universe. Well, before thinking of what is outside our universe, we first need to define the universe. We will consider our universe as an observable universe, which is defined by the speed of light. Observable universe consists of all the matter which can be observed from Earth. Diameter of the observable universe is 93 billion light year, and it is expanding faster than the speed of light. So we will never be able to see what's outside the observable universe, as light coming from objects outside the observable universe will never reach us. So now we have a defined boundary. So the question is, what's beyond this boundary? Well, today I'll tell you about 5 theories which tell us about what can possibly exist outside our universe. Comment down which theory you think can be correct. First theory, dark flow. According to studies in 2008, it was observed that large galaxies are moving in the same direction at very high speed. Before this, it was thought that all the matter was spread eventually all across the universe. But after this study, now scientists are thinking that there can be a very massive structure outside our universe whose extreme gravitational influence is pulling these galaxies toward itself. There can be extreme aggregation of matter and energy which is beyond our imagination. Second theory, more universe. This theory suggests that there can be more universe outside our observable universe. This means the universe is infinite. If we somehow cross the observable universe, then we will see more of the universe with more planets, stars, galaxies, and all possible things. You can find another solar system, another Earth-like planet, and even another version of you. Third theory, black holes. No doubt, black holes are the most destructive things in the universe. Nothing can escape the strong gravity of a black hole, not even light. The strong gravity of a black hole can bend the fabric of space-time. While some scientists believe that black holes are portals to different universes, some scientists also believe that a black hole actually creates a new universe. As matter falls into a black hole, it gets torn apart into subatomic level and gets squeezed into the singularity. As these subatomic particles reach singularity, they burst out from the other side, thus forming a new universe. These universes can have different laws of physics than ours. New black holes are formed and then more new universes. One problem with this theory is, if an universe has laws of physics that do not allow the formation of black holes, then that universe will die and no new universe will ever be created. Fourth theory, infinite bubbles. This theory suggests that there are infinite bubbles of universes outside our universe. This is because Big Bang explosion was very extreme, and the post-Big Bang expansion of our universe caused more bubbles to form in the structure of space. Each bubble is expanding within space and forming its own universe with their own laws of physics. Our universe is one of those bubbles. If you reach the edge of one universe, then also you cannot enter another universe, as the space between them is expanding at very high speed. Fifth theory, many parallel universe. The concept of parallel universe was proposed much earlier, but it gained popularity recently after the advancement of string theory. Well, we will talk about string theory in detail in a different video. According to this theory, strings are the fundamental constituents of the universe. Strings are one-dimensional objects which vibrate in different patterns. The pattern of their vibration determines which type of matter will be formed. These strings can vibrate in different patterns to form a completely new parallel universe. This new universe can have different laws of physics, and our universe is one of those universes. So these are the 5 theories. Out of these, which theory you think can be real? Well, comment below. Also, if you like this video, please like and share, and also subscribe to our channel.